Important information. You are on a dark winter street, being chased by cars that don't want to. What? Being chased by cars that don't want you to live alive. Well, that new. In order to escape, you need to find 15 payphones that will reach your call. Answer all 15 calls. Avoid car. They will try to stop you. Look for payphone. They are located throughout the location. The landmark of each new called a red glow. So I'm going to be chased by a car, huh? Alright, let's see how it goes. Okay, it's winter. Alright. Maybe I should go for here. How do I... What's that? Oh, it's rotate? What the hell? So I could not enter the house. Can I have print? No print either. Okay. What's that? Is it a car? Or a payphone? With this? Oh, it's payphone. How do I take it? Okay, this worked. Confused how would the car chase me. Where should I go? Where should I go? Is this a payphone? No? Okay. Not sure where to go. Where should I go? But this is a payphone. Yeah, why doesn't it work? Oh, have I gone here? Okay. This was one brick house. Well, we cannot enter the house. What the hell? What is this? So I should just find another payphone. I'm just wandering around. Where do I even go? Where do I go? I have no idea where to go. Just a dark winter. I don't even see any car, nor any payphone. Isn't this a payphone? I'm not sure. How do I? Is there another button? Oh, I can still jump. Oh, there's it. Payphone, I'm coming. Here we go. Here we go. So is this Christmas? Christmas party? Why did the car have to chase me? I don't understand. What did I do wrong for the car to chase me? What do I do? I don't get it. What am I supposed to do? Oh. Wait, is this a car? What the frick? Is that supposed to chase me? Why you stuck, brother? Why are you stuck? But how am I supposed to run then if you are like that? Oh, no, he can move. Alright, try it. Okay, I can't go anywhere. Holy shit! Still close. What the hell? Restart, come on. Alright, here we go again. So first we have to look for a payphone. A lot of houses. Yeah, it's pretty dark in here. Wow, this house is the brightest in here. Wait, some house didn't even have light. Did that one house stole all the light? Oh, we can't enter in here. I think it's kind of limited. Yeah. Probably need to find a red sign again. Are we just finding things? Am I supposed to entertain you guys? We're only finding things. I'm not sure what to say. There's nothing to talk about. My god, everyone is leaving, I guess. Everyone is leaving. I'm not sure how to talk. Don't know how to talk. Oh no. Oh, there we go. And let's get it. Let's get it. Alright. There's one to go. And 14 more to go. This is long. Oh my god, we just searching again and again. Didn't expect this to be a little bit boring more than I thought. I mean, car chasing you. That's actually a nice idea. Maybe it's just not dynamic enough. What am I saying? I'm just circling around. There's no way. Can I actually jump at the house? Oh, I can actually jump at the house. Now this is interesting. Can I like search for it? No. It's just for self-defense, I guess. Just to escape. I guess. Oh, there we go. My god, it's so silent, huh? I don't know what to talk about. It's just finding people. Not sure how to react either. Alright, there's two to go. What? Oh, there's a dead end. And another boring segment, I guess. Okay. It's too long to... Okay. Where's it? Oh, there we go. Where's the car? I don't see any car. Another silent treatment. I'm really not sure what to talk about. What am I supposed to talk about? How beautiful the house is? How beautiful the lake is? I'm not sure. Oh. Yeah, but I can't actually go there. And okay, here we go. The fourth one. Maybe I was just getting tired. I mean, how many videos have we uploaded today? Pretty much. Or I just dumb enough not to talk about anything. I'm just basically random babbling. What am I even doing? Searching for payphone. Can I sing the payphone instead? Will I get copyright? I'm at the... I'm not even there to try. Damn it. What if I don't hit the note, maybe? Just the lyric? I'm not sure. Actually, did a car chase me? Why is it so... What, a car chase me? Why am I stuck? Great, now I'm stuck. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Is there no car? I haven't seen any car. Is there a car hiding? That would be nice. You know, just a prop car. We don't know which car is going to move. It's all just house, so it's kind of predictable. Yeah, maybe try to put the car in front of the house so that we don't know which one would move. It would put that horrified maybe. I mean, you would expect more from, you know, getting chased with a car. This concept is actually new. But where's the payphone? I'm just babbling around. Oh my god, just finding topic. Again, topic. This is so weird. Yeah, the silence. I really don't know how to talk. How do I explain? What should I explain even? The light is so beautiful. The house is so beautiful. There's this darkness. Actually, this silence is the most horror part of this video. Never gone through this yet. Oh, I think this is quite new. Have I gone to this part? Oh my god! Oh my god, there's a police car. Can I? Alright, jump into it. Alright, now this kind... No, there's sorry behind this. A police car. Where's this? I need to jump. No, I can't race it. Oh, I can actually. Where is that police car? Oh, there is it. What? What would he do? I mean, what would he do? It's quite obvious, predictable. If every car just like a normal car and suddenly some would move, that would be pretty sick. But no, I can't actually go back. How do I even enter? Maybe I go here. I'm not entirely sure. Uh-huh. I think this is... Oh. I thought what was a new, like it was a new car. Now there is two cars chasing. But now, I don't see another payphone. And it's getting to the silent part again. Is I don't know what to talk about. Just looking at the like. I'm trying so bad to make this video not boring. But it seems like it's not going to work. Hello. I don't even care, just chase me. Just chase me, bro. You don't even try. My god. Just show me all the payphone. I feel like they made it like a timing for it instead of the location. What's that? Oh. Yeah, I think they put timer instead, not in the location. Uh, back to this thing again. I'm not even sure. What's this place? Why is this place so bright? Did they stole or the other house like because they're so dark? But one house is just so bright. Oh, it just suddenly appeared like a rainbow. But this is a not good impression. Very nice. It just trained my conversational ability, which is basically non-existent. What am I even doing now? I have no idea what am I talking about. Am I still finding payphone? How are people going to enjoy this? I have no idea. It's so weird. to be more fast paced. It's a little bit boring. It's not fast paced enough and I don't know what I'm doing. Not even sure what I'm reacting. I think the payphone location is just they like put a timer on it. Just make all of it available and make more car to chase me. Okay. It's stuck or what? I don't understand. Is this a new game or not? I'm not even sure. Maybe still new or something. So it's just two cars? There's really nothing in here. I'm just basically showing a self-explanatory thing. What am I doing? Oh my god, I figured that we should finish this early so I can reduce your suffering from this boring video. And then this is what I mean. What? Just make all of them available so it's kind of quick. There's just a lot of walking. I have no idea what it's for. We're just walking aimlessly. Oh, this is new. Now there's some action going in. Yeah, this is what I mean. It's more fast paced. Oh, I missed it. Okay, 4 more to go. Have I gone this way? I think I gone this way. Let's search the other way. What the freak? Oh my god. Oh my god. Now there is two cars chasing me. But it's getting more interesting, does it not? Oh, is that it? Okay, I see those things. And then 3 more to go. Mm-hmm. 3 more to go. Where am I losing my energy? I'm probably the most unmotivated YouTuber ever. My god. Boring people. Boring video. Boring talking. But there's effort going in. What the frick? I'm just dead suddenly. Okay. How long that's been? Yeah, pretty much quite time. I don't think anyone would make this far. It was not fast pace enough. Yeah, definitely need more review on this. Need more modification. Maybe put some car in front of the house, so and then the car suddenly move. It feel more horror that way. Yeah, but it's a nice experience. It's like testing a game instead. I guess this is. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day.